Yes, yes, it is perfect. Finally! Family, please sit down. Today is a big day. I finally finished my greatest invention. Meet Buddy.
Oh, David, we're so excited!
Get ready.
A robot? David, is it safe?
It is more than safe, Anna. It is a genius. It has artificial intelligence. It can do everything. Clean the floors, cook dinner, and help the children.
Wow! You made a real robot, Dad? Can it play football? Can it play football?
Yes, of course. Let's turn him on.
Hello, Miller family. I am Buddy. I am here to help you. My logic is 100% perfect.
We need to start the dishwasher. Put all the dirty... Hello? Oh, hi. Yes, I'm still here. No, that's fine. Go ahead.
Buddy, is dinner ready?
Yes, Anna. Today we have delicious spaghetti.
Hey, those are my favorite sneakers! Oh, gross! Why is my pasta in a dirty shoe?
David said, "Put dirty things in the dishwasher." The shoes were dirty. Now they are clean. They are perfect bowls for spaghetti.
No, buddy. Shoes go on feet. Food goes on plates. Don't eat burgers. They are junk food.
Analyzing. Junk food. Junk means trash. Trash belongs in the bin. Lunch is here, everyone. I have delicious burgers and fries.
Danger! Danger!
Buddy, what are you doing? Give that back!
This is junk, Anna. The television said so. I am saving your lives. My cheeseburger!
No!
Buddy, junk food is just an expression. It doesn't mean it is actual trash.
Today for dinner we have spicy Indian curry.
Oh, wow, this is too hot.
Mike is in pain. The food is too hot. I must fix the temperature.
This curry is hot. I'll cool it in the freezer. Cooling complete.
Now it's spicy and freezing at the same time.
I do not understand. You said it was hot. I used the freezer to make it cold.
The freezer?
Oh, buddy. When Mike says hot, he means spicy. Not the temperature.
Oh, these bags are so heavy. Buddy, please, can you give me a hand?
Of course, Anna. I have 2 hands. I can share one.
Buddy, what is this? Why did you take your arm off?
You asked for a hand. Now you have my hand. You are welcome.
No! I wanted you to help me carry the bags.
You must be more specific, Anna.
Buddy, please dress the salad. I need to check on Henry. Dress the salad. I understand dress.
Look, Anna. The salad looks very beautiful now. It is wearing a pink dress and a blue hat.
Buddy, dress the salad means put oil and salt on it. Why do you call it dressing if there are no clothes involved?
Buddy, this corner is very messy. Please organize these cables and shoelaces. Make them neat.
I love organization. I will make a perfect system. What?
Organizing, connecting, fixing.
Buddy, are you okay?
I 80% cables now. I am very neat. Now please, help me. I am stuck.
Oh, look at Barnaby! Mrs. White's dog is so messy today. Buddy, look at his hair. Can you smooth the dog? He needs to look beautiful. Analyzing, smooth. Yes, I will fix the neighbor's dog.
Stay still, Barnaby. I am smoothing your hair now.
Buddy! No! Are you crazy? Smooth the dog means brush his hair with the hairbrush.
Processing. An iron is for smooth things. Humans have too many tools.
Buddy, I want a romantic dinner. Can you do something romantic?
Romantic. I understand. Look, David. The fire is very romantic. I am roasting a marshmallow for Anna.
Buddy, no! You are burning the rug! Give me that! This is why we use candles! Ah. Processing. So how is our new robot friend, everyone?
He's funny, but he almost cooked Mrs. White's dog. He froze my dinner. And he gave me his hand. Literally.
Buddy, I think you need an update. You take everything too literally.
David, I am a perfect machine, but I have one question.
What is it, buddy?
If junk food is not junk and hot is not hot, why don't you just speak robot?
Because then we wouldn't have these funny stories for my YouTube channel.
Analyzing YouTube? Is that a tube with a U inside? I will find a tube and put David in it.
No, buddy. Stop. That is just an expression.
Hey guys! Please subscribe to our channel, turn on the bell, and like this video. Thank you!